Okay guys, have you ever installed LED bulbs and it started hyper flashing like crazy, like that, and then like that? So I'm going to show you a very simple way to slow down the relay and have it controllable for the 99 and 2000 Mazda Miata. Okay, so changing the bulb to LED bulbs on my 99 2000 Miata. It's an easy way to prevent it from hyper flashing without putting a load resistor on each side of the bulb. So I'm going to show you a way how to do that. Very simple. First of all, take out the tail light, install the LED bulbs, put it in there. Once you finish that on both sides and all four corners, jump inside the dash, and below the dash you want to look for this relay. You can see it. So like a cream color relay with three pins on there. This is the flasher relay. It's easier to find it if you just hit the hazard light right there and just listen to the clicks. You should hear clicking on the relay. What you want to do is just remove this. We're gonna swap it with a different relay. Okay, so here's the factory OEM relay. As you can see, there's 3 pin on the 99 to 2000 Miata, and each pin should be labeled. Right here, there's an E, there's a B, and there's an L on the bottom pin. So what we're going to do is replace this with a LED relay right here with 3 pin also, and it has a controller that controls the flashing unit. So you could change the speed of the flash with this unit. And the easy way to connect it is to make a jumper wire. And how to make a jumper wire, you would need 3 cables, 3 wires. You would need these. These are the male pins, and they are like the blue male pins. And here's another blue female pins. And this one is covered. Some of them are not. I recommend you get the covered one because we're going to use that onto the new relay. So here's the new relay, and you want it covered so it doesn't get shortage. You want to pop the female, I'm trying to do this one hand. I'm going to pop the female connector onto that, just like so. Okay, crimp the wire from here, and we're going to connect the wire into the relay harness on the car, and that should accept the male pins just like the relay here. And if everything's connected correctly, you should be able to control the LED speed flash. Okay, so here's the jumper wire already connected to the new relay, and now all you have to do is connect these pins into the harness. You just got to make sure you connect the right one. I color code everything with yellow, red, and black. Red is positive, black is ground, and yellow is the signal. And alright, I'm going to connect it real quick and see how it works. Alright, as you can see, the harness is fully connected to the relay right there. And now it's controllable by turning this knob. After it's done, you just want to zip tie it and put it somewhere where it doesn't hit the foot pedal. Okay, so here's the turn signal left. See, it's still pretty fast. It's right, still pretty fast. And now I'm going to change the speed by spinning the knob on there. Here you go. Slightly slower. That's about reasonable right there. I could even go really slow, but that's just ridiculous. Now let's go back up a little bit to a reasonable speed. Probably somewhere about right there. Let's try the right turn signal. There you go. And that's how you change the relay on the NB99 2000. Hey guys, please subscribe to my channel, more Miata content just like this. And I also follow my build. I have two builds, the Midnite runner build and plus the neon ghost. See ya.